Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Wyoming County, northwestern Livingston County, southeastern Genesee County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pavilion, or 10 miles southeast of Batavia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Avon, Pavilion, Caledonia, York, and Covington. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.